प्यारे नन्हे मुन्ने दोस्तों, क्या हाल है आपका। मैं तो बहुत अच्छी हूँ और मैं आपके लिए लेकर के आई हूँ बहुत सारी प्यारी प्यारी नन्ही नन्ही प्यारी प्यारी आप ही की तरह कहानियाँ। तो आज की कहानी है नॉटी मीकू की। तो देखते हैं नॉटी मीकू क्या शरारतें मचाता है। The monsoons had begun in Champakwan. To take advantage of the weather and earn some money, Damru Donkey opened a shop selling umbrellas in the forest. So, आइडिया तो वैसे बुरा नहीं है। डमरू डोंकी बहुत ही होशियार निकला, तो उसने मॉनसून का फायदा उठाते हुए अपनी एक अम्ब्रेला की शॉप ही खोल दी। During the day, he sold his umbrellas, saying, "Protect yourself from the rain. Big, small, tall or fat, no complaints. Bright umbrellas will beat the pain." काफी दिमाग लगाया है डमरू डोंकी ने अपनी लाइंस बनाने में। Very nice technique. One day, Jumbo Elephant was passing by when he heard Damru calling out. Jumbo was very proud of his huge body and took very good care of it. He went to Damru and asked, "Can you find me a big umbrella that will cover my entire body and protect me from getting wet in the rain? I don't like getting drenched in the rain." So, Jumbo Elephant was quite a big fellow. उसकी बड़ी बॉडी की वजह से उसको पानी में भीगना बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं था, तो वो डमरू डोंकी के पास अपने लिए एक बड़ा सा अम्ब्रेला मांगने के लिए गया। हाँ, लेकिन वो काफी एटीट्यूड और प्राउड में गया था। उसको लगा था कि नहीं मिलेगा। Damru pulled out a big umbrella for Jumbo and gave it to him. Jumbo walked back to his house when suddenly it started raining. He opened his umbrella and walked with a big smile on his face. Miku Mouse stopped him on his way, saying, "Jumbo, I have forgotten to bring my umbrella. Can you please drop me home in your umbrella?" बेचारा मीकू अपना अम्ब्रेला ही भूल गया। अब देखो जंबो उसको क्या जवाब देता है। जंबो made a face and said, "Miku, suppose someday I forget to bring my umbrella and it starts to rain. Do you think you will be able to do the same for me with your small umbrella? I suggest it would be better if you ask for a lift from someone your size." And Jumbo walked away mockingly. That's not a good attitude, to be honest. But ठीक है, जंबो को भी उसका सबक मिल ही जाएगा, maybe. Jumbo's attitude hurt Miku, and he kept thinking about it the whole day. He decided to take revenge for this insult. अब बेचारे मीकू को तो बुरा लग गया। जंबो ने उसको ऐसे बोल दिया ना, तो वो पूरा दिन, हमको भी कोई ऐसे बोल देता तो हम भी पूरा दिन ऐसे ही सोचते हैं ना। तो अब वो सोच रहा है कि जंबो को कैसे सबक सिखाया जाए। देखते हैं वो क्या स्ट्रैटेजी अपनाता है। मीकू थॉट ऑफ अ प्लान and entered Jumbo's house at night through his window. He chewed on Jumbo's umbrella and made big holes in it. When Jumbo woke up in the morning, he saw it was raining outside, so he picked his umbrella to go to the fields. But as he opened his umbrella, the raindrops entered through the holes and drenched him completely. Angrily, he looked at the holes and his umbrella and threw it away with frustration and went back into his house. He could not understand how his umbrella, which has been so perfect the previous day, had such big holes in it now. Miku was hiding close by and really enjoyed watching Jumbo getting wet in the rain. तो मीकू ने जंबो को सबक सिखा दिया। उसने उसके छाते में बड़े बड़े से होल कर दिए। चूहे होने का काफी अच्छा फायदा उठाया है उसने। बट बेचारा अब जंबो तो परेशान हो गया, पूरा का पूरा भीग गया। अब देखते हैं मीकू क्या शरारतें मचाने वाला है। Suddenly, Miku saw his old enemy, Lily Cat, passing by. She was carrying a colorful umbrella too. Miku saw her umbrella and decided to do the same. अब मीकू की शरारतें ज्यादा होने वाली हैं। He followed her to the beauty parlor as she left her wet umbrella outside at the parlor's doorstep and walked in. Miku took the opportunity and quietly made 3 big holes in her umbrella. Lily came out with her makeup on. She opened her umbrella and was about to walk away when the rainwater poured through the holes and spoiled her makeup. It made her look very scary. Miku laughed his head off. सुनने में तो थोड़ा फनी लग रहा है, पर ये इतना फनी है नहीं, क्योंकि अगर मेरा मेकअप भी खराब हो जाएगा तो मुझे भी बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा आने वाला है.